So we've just assigned board IDs to the characters that we've come across so far, but there's still one more thing we have to do to add them to the scene. Let me show you what I mean. So we just assigned all of our main characters board IDs in Element Manager, and that, if you recall, was here in EP Scheduling and under Breakdown. Well, now if you look at the breakdown sheet, they're not here, and that's because we still have to assign them to the breakdown sheet. So let's add Sully, Hannah, Dougie, Adonis, and all the rest of the characters that were in the previous scene. Okay? Also, our background actors will add our bar hoppers. We don't need cabs, obviously, but we still have rain effects hitting the window, let's say. So let's add it just to make sure that we got it covered. Now, come up here to the top and look at these arrows here. We're on sheet 3, scene 3, but I want to go back one and take a look and make sure everybody's accounted for there. Here's sheet 2, scene 2. So here they are with their numbers, bar hoppers, rain effects. I added those earlier. And let's go back to sheet 3, scene 3, and let's make sure that we add the wardrobe elements that appeared in the previous scene, because this is really a continuation of them. Okay? So there we go, another breakdown sheet.